World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11 every year, which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by the Governing Council of United Nations Development Programme in 1989. It was inspired by the public interest in 5 billion day on July 11, 1987, the approximate date on which the world's population reached 5 billion. The aim of Population Day is to increase people's awareness on various population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights.
Now, let's have a look on some facts about world population. In 1000 AD, the world population was just 400 million. It reached 1 billion in 1804 and 3 billion by 1960. It only took 40 years by 2000 for the population to reach 6 billion. Every second, 4.2 people are born and 1.8 are dead. China has a population of 1.4 billion, followed by the Indians 1.3, and it's said that by 2030, the country India is expected to become the most populous country in the whole world. The two countries contribute 37% of world population. Causes of overpopulation. Overpopulation is a condition of having a population so dense as to cause environmental deterioration and impaired quality of life or a population crash. It is mostly associated with poverty, reduced mortality rate, poor medical access, poor contraceptive use, as well as immigration. Poverty is believed to be the leading cause of overpopulation. A lack of educational resources coupled with high death rates leading to higher birth rates result in impoverished areas seeing large booms in population. The two main causes leading to overpopulation in India are the birth rate is still higher than death rate, and also the fertility rate due to the population policies and other measures has been falling, but even then it is much higher compared to other countries. According to recent studies, India is set to surpass China as the world's most populous nation by as early as 2024. Whatever measures are taken to combat overpopulation in India, it remains clear that overpopulation is pressing issues with far-reaching implications on the environment, poverty, and health.
Remedies to population explosion. Better education. One of the first measures is to implement policies reflecting social change. It helps them to understand the consequence of population explosion. Education for girl child. Over 130 million young women and girls around the globe are not enrolled in school. An educated person would be more aware of rapid population explosion.
Knowledge of sex education. It is important for parents and teachers to make the future adults, the children, aware of solid sex education. Controlling birth rate. The government should take adequate measures to control birth rate. An increase in birth rate often leads to a hike in population. Various measures can be adopted in order to ensure the population is under control.
Next is about population growth control and the ways in which we are practicing it. Population growth control. It refers to practice of artificially altering the rate of growth of human. This has been made possible by limiting the birth rate. It can be any methodology that is used to control the multiplication and a number of people who inhabit the earth.
Of population growth control. India is a vast country of population. The population of India is increasing rapidly. If the population of India is not controlled, then it would become the first country with largest population after China by 2050. So there is a great need to scrub the population.
Population of India in 2040s. India's population is expected to grow by 25% with reference to 2011 to 152 billion by 2036. According to National Commission of Population, India will overtake China as the world's most populous country in 2031.
The theme for World Population Day 2021 is Rights and Choices Are the Answer. Whether baby boom or bust, the solution to shifting fertility rates lies in prioritizing all people's reproductive health and rights.